You have 24 hours to learn 7,000 new words. Sounds impossible, right? With old school methods like flashcards, it is. Your brain would fry after 200 words from the sheer volume and lack of context. But what if you could turn a massive word list into a smart study engine that builds hyper-focused flashcards and quizzes for you in seconds? In this video, I'll show you how to pair Notebook LM with Gemini to completely change how you learn. If you don't know the words, you can't speak the language. It's the biggest wall learners hit. But immersion is just noise without vocabulary, and staring at word lists is slow and discouraging. The problem isn't you, it's your tools. To learn this much information, you need a system for active learning. Today, we're building that engine with Google's Notebook LM and Gemini. Think of Notebook LM as your personal researcher who has perfectly memorized your documents. Gemini is the creative partner that can use that information to generate new content. Together, they turn any document into a personalized learning experience. Section 1. The setup. Gathering your source material. First, you need source material. The best place to start is a frequency list for your target language, which ranks words by how often they're used. You can find PDFs or text files of the top 5,000 or 10,000 words for most languages. For this demo, I'm using a PDF of the 5,000 core English words for the TOEFL exam, but you can use a Google Doc, copied text, or a transcript. Just make sure your source file is clean. Section 2. Building the brain in Notebook LM. Now, let's head over to Notebook LM. Its superpower is being source-grounded, meaning it only uses the documents you upload to answer your questions. This prevents the AI from making things up, so our study tools will be 100% based on our word list. First, create a new notebook. I'll call mine TOEFL 5,000 Word Challenge. Then, upload your source file. Notebook LM will process it and list it in the Sources panel. It's now an expert on your document. Section 3. The magic generating instant flashcards. This is where you save hours of manual work. Instead of making flashcards one by one, we'll just ask the AI. In the chat bar, I'll type, "Create a set of flashcards for the first 50 verbs from my source list." In seconds, I get an interactive flashcard deck. Click a word, it reveals the definition. You can shuffle, get hints, and use the text-to-speech feature to hear the pronunciation. If you struggle with a word, mark it as missed it. Notebook LM tracks your progress so you can focus on those words later. Section 4. The power-up creating dynamic quizzes. Flashcards are for memorizing, but context is for understanding. Notebook LM can also generate quizzes to test you on this. I'll prompt, generate a 20-question multiple-choice quiz based on nouns from my list. Use each word in a sentence and explain the correct answer. This creates a quiz that tests understanding, not just memory. After you answer, you get instant feedback explaining why it's right or wrong, sometimes citing the original document. You can even ask it to tailor the quiz difficulty from easy to hard. Section 5. The engine in action and the active study loop. Now let's combine these features into an active study loop. It's like having a personal trainer for your brain. Spend 15 minutes on flashcards and mark the ones you missed. Then, tell Notebook LM, create a quiz focusing only on the words I missed, using different example sentences. Instantly, you have a new exercise focused on your weak points. If you're still struggling with a few words, you can prompt again. Create a study guide for these 5 words, with 3 new examples for each. This is the active study loop. Test, identify weaknesses, and create new tools to fix them. Section 6. Integrating Gemini from maximum power. To give this engine a turbocharger, let's integrate Gemini. While Notebook LM is grounded in your sources, Gemini is the creative partner with access to the whole internet. Inside Gemini, you can now use your Notebook LM notebooks as a source. Just select your TOEFL 5,000 Word Challenge notebook. Now, Gemini can combine its creative power with the specific vocabulary from your list. For example, you could ask Gemini, Using my notebook, write a short story that uses 10 of the words I've been struggling with. This builds stronger, more memorable connections. You can also get more creative and ask it to generate code for a simple visual flashcard app, mixing text, audio, and images to help make memories stick. Section 7. A note on reality. Can you really learn 7,000 words in 24 hours? Now, let's be real. Can you actually learn and remember 7,000 words in 24 hours? No. Real learning is about sustainable methods like spaced repetition and aiming for 20 to 50 new words a day. So why the title? Because this AI system makes it possible to process that volume of information instantly. An AI can't do your push-ups for you, but it can build you the world's greatest gym in 5 minutes. This system does the impossible prep work, making thousands of flashcards and quizzes instantly. It removes the friction of creating study materials, so you can spend 100% of your time on what matters. That is active practice and recall. So, to summarize, the workflow is simple. 1. Get your source material. 2. Upload it to Notebook LM. 3. Generate instant flashcards and quizzes. 4. Create an active study loop to target your weak spots. And 5. Connect it to Gemini for more creative learning. With Notebook LM and Gemini, you are the architect of your own study engine. You can turn any information into an interactive experience. If you found this helpful, you'll love the way to use this system to break down entire textbooks. Hope you enjoy this video, and let's keep learning smarter.